Most AI agents you see online look impressive for about 5 minutes. Then you never use them again. They're hard to build, annoying to maintain, or so specific they break the moment your workflow changes. In this video, I'll show you how I build AI agents I actually use. We'll build 3 of them inside MindStudio: a content summarizer, an X-thread analyzer, and a financial document analyst. No toy demos, no over-engineering, just practical agents you can reuse and remix. Here's the core problem. Most automation tools make simple things feel heavy. You spend more time wiring than thinking. What I like about MindStudio is how quickly you can go from an idea to a working agent. So instead of starting with theory, let's start with the result. I have a single button in my browser. When I click it on a long article, I get a clean summary and a list of key people and entities. That same agent works on YouTube videos. It pulls the transcript automatically and summarizes the video. And it works on PDFs too. One agent, multiple surfaces, no special handling. Let me show you exactly how this is built. I'm inside MindStudio. From the dashboard, I click Create New Agent. That opens a blank project. You'll see a few tabs, but we're going straight to automations. This is where the workflow lives. An agent here is just a series of blocks. There's a start block, an end block, and you add steps in between. We start with the trigger. Click the start block. On the right side, under Run Mode, switch it from On-Demand to Browser Extension. This is important. When you switch to browser mode, the agent automatically gets access to the page URL, page metadata, and the full page content. That page content includes websites, YouTube transcripts, and PDFs automatically. You don't have to detect content types yourself. It's already handled. Now we add the AI step. Click the plus button between start and end. Choose Generate Text. This block calls an AI model. On the right side, you'll see Model Settings. You can choose whichever model you prefer. For summarization, any fast model works fine. The key part is the prompt. At the top, I write, summarize the content and extract key people and entities. Now we pass in the actual page content. In the prompt editor, type double curly braces. You'll see a variable dropdown. Select Page Content. That inserts the live content from whatever page you're on when the agent runs. So now the model gets instructions plus context. That's the full logic. Start block triggers from the browser. Generate block processes page content. End block returns the output. I named this agent Content Summarizer. Click Publish. Then open the 3-dot menu and pin it to the extension. Now it's available anywhere in my browser. That's the entire build. Now let's use it. On an article, I run the agent and get a clear summary with extracted entities. On a YouTube video, I run the same agent. It automatically pulls the transcript and summarizes the video. This is the difference between a demo and a tool you keep using. Now here's the key shift. Once you build one agent, you almost never start from scratch again. Instead, you duplicate it. Same workflow, same trigger, same setup. All you change is the instruction. That's where this starts to scale. For the second agent, I duplicate the first one. This time, I want to analyze conversations on X. Inside the Generate Text block, I update the prompt. I change it so the agent identifies the main tweet, maps the conversation structure, and surfaces engagement patterns. Instead of writing the entire structure manually, I can use MindStudio's prompt generator to expand it into a more detailed format. That gives me consistent output without spending time refining every bullet point. I keep the same page content variable. Rename the agent to X-thread analyzer. Publish it, pin it. Now when I open an X-thread and click the button, the agent identifies the main tweet, breaks down replies, and highlights engagement patterns. Same workflow, different instruction. For the third agent, I follow the same pattern. Duplicate again. Update the prompt to analyze financial documents. Ask for fundamentals, risks, and high-level insights. Keep the page content variable. Publish. Now when I run it on a 10Q PDF, it summarizes the document and surfaces key metrics and risks. This doesn't replace professional analysis. It speeds up the first pass. That's the point. All 3 agents follow the same structure. One trigger, one generate step, different prompts. This is faster than building agents in heavier automation tools. And it's cleaner than stitching together custom pipelines. You spend time thinking about outcomes, not wiring. That's why this approach actually sticks. If you want to try this yourself, you can create a free MindStudio account. I've shared remix links for all 3 agents you just saw: the Content Summarizer, the X-Thread Analyzer, and the Financial Document Analyst. Open them, remix them, and adapt them to your own workflows instead of starting from scratch. All the links are in the description. One base agent, endless reuse. This is how I build AI agents now.